Hey guys, so today we're going to be looking at our Math 10 unit of polynomials. We will be learning how to expand and factor. So the first thing we're going to do is times the 2 by the 4, which would give us 8. Now we have to find two factors of 8 that add or subtract to make 6 because we have the 6x in the middle. So we know that there is 2 times 4 and 1 times 8. Now looking at these, we know that 8 minus 1 or 8 plus 1 is not 6, but 2 plus 4 is. 2 plus 4 equals 6. So now we would write it as 2x squared plus 4x plus 2x plus 4. Now we do something called factoring by grouping. We split this equation in two. We start by looking at the first one and think, what can both of the terms on either side of the plus sign be divided equally into? In this case, it is 2x. For the second one, it would simply be 2. So now for the first one, we would write the divider in the front and then the two quotients in brackets, making it 2x bracket x plus 2. The next one would be the same with 2 in the front and then x plus 2 in brackets. Now the way you write the final equation is by writing 2x plus 2 in brackets times the x plus 2 in another set of brackets right next to each other. So the final equation should look like this: 2x plus 2 times x plus 2. And now you've fully factored your equation. And now to verify that we have the right equation, we would expand. So we would do 2x times x plus 2x times 2 plus 2 times x plus 2 times 2. Now let's just write it out so that it's easier to visually solve the equation. Now we would write it out as 2x squared plus 4x plus 2x plus 4. Now, since the two terms in the middle are like terms, we would add them together. Just so you know, like terms are terms that contain the same variables raised to the same power. So in this case, 4x and 2x both have the same variable, letting them add together to get 6x. So now we would just fill in the blanks around the 6 to get 2x squared plus 6x plus 4. Let's look back at the equation we started with and see if they're the same. 2x squared plus 6x plus 4 and 2x squared plus 6x plus 4. That means we got it right. So that is how you factor and expand a polynomial.